ikaw yung best friend ko sa college. And I can't imagine my college life without you. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Sleep under a palm tree, feel the rush of the ocean. Get on board a fast train.
Continue mo na lang yun and then makikinig sa mami parati para wag mapasama. Happy birthday! I hope na mag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday celebration. Love you! Mwah, 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 mwah.
But I won't forget the place I